We would like to welcome you to the Wisecrack. This is where we give you the latest windshield repair news, exclusive offers, tips, tricks, and much more.
It's June and time has been flying by this year. So it's our hope, wish, and prayer that all is well with everyone and that you're having a great year thus far. We will be starting the month out on the East Coast. So Ashland, Virginia, Baltimore, Maryland, and Warminster, Pennsylvania, here we come. If you're in any of those areas and you want some hands-on training or want to learn more about windshield repair, then hit us up and we'll make it happen. June 17th is our formal hands-on training class in Eugene, Oregon, and we will end the month strong in Sacramento, California on June 29th. As always, we would love to have you join us, so please don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions, concerns, or if you want to arrange a time to meet up. Have you saved the date for Auto Glass Week? If not, here's another reason on why you should. Mike Rowe will be the keynote speaker this year. He's one of the nation's most respected leaders when it comes to championing vocations through his shows Dirty Jobs and Somebody's Got to Do It. He's held countless numbers of interviews speaking on the skills gap and the importance of trades. So I'm sure his time at Auto Glass Week will be engaging and very thought-provoking. Now let's take a pause for the calls and talk water. Did you know that over 785 million people lack access to safe drinking water? Mind-blowing, right? That is why we give back and help support Living Water International. They exist to demonstrate the love of God by helping communities acquire desperately needed clean water and experience the Word of God. So we are very passionate about drilling water wells so everyone in the world can have access to clean water. So with that being said, let's end the month with a little motivation and a quote from Gandhi. Be the change you want to see in the world.